In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify account email address. Whether you've recently changed your primary email or want to keep your Shopify account up to date, this process is straightforward. Let's walk through it together step by step. First, head over to the Shopify admin panel, where you can manage and oversee all aspects of your online store. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You should see your store or site name clearly displayed there. Go ahead and click on that name to proceed. Clicking on your store name will bring up a drop-down menu. You'll see several options here related to managing your account and store settings. What you need to do next is click on the option labeled Account. This will take you to your account settings page, where all the personal information linked to your Shopify account is housed. Now, let's focus our attention on the email section of your account settings. Here, you should see your current email address linked to the Shopify account. Find the button labeled Update located next to the email address. Clicking on Update will prompt you to re-authenticate your account. This is an essential security measure that ensures it's really you making this change. Re-authentication typically involves entering your current password or going through some form of verification process. Follow the prompts carefully to complete this step. Once the re-authentication is successful, you can now enter your new email address in the provided field. Make sure to double-check that you've typed everything correctly to avoid any future login issues or missed communications from Shopify. After you've verified that everything looks good, proceed with the change by finalizing the entry. The system will process your request and update your account with the new email address. And, just like that, your email address on your Shopify account is updated. It's a simple but important step that helps keep your information current and secure. Remember that all official Shopify communications, including order notifications and account updates, will now be sent to this new email address, so it's good to keep checking it regularly. Thank you for watching this tutorial on updating your Shopify account email address. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more guides and tips like this. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help out. Have a great time managing your Shopify store.